same thing. You just have an emphasis of A at the end. You can add O at the end. So kase, kasa, kaso. You know your kasa.
Kase, kasa, kaso. But you don't add kasa in there. Thank you. You only add kase and kaso, not kasa.
So nanum kasa means you are nanum kaso. Kase, kaso means you are nanum kase, kaso. You know free kasa. So all of it, the root of it is kasa, which is language. Miss Yamanum Yanse, Yansa 8, and Indian, Edina Yansa. Yansa. Edina Yansa.
Wisdom?
I idea.
I knew it was learning about something.
Annie, Yansa. Edina a mamre.
I'm learning about my ancestors.
A mamre. Yeah, Miss Yaman family Nanum.
I'm learning about my ancestors' language.
I know your casa.
Okay, what do we have to write?
A mamre. Edina a mamre.
What?
Mo, I idea.
Hey, Amma got 2 chances. What? It's no fair. That's what other people
You say Obianca.
Only 2 people went. You and Kamal.
Happy. Mommy, share Adinkra. Maybe Adinkra.
Anyone can do it. No matter what. But not one. Yeah, everybody knows that you are. I do. I said everybody knows that. So of course you do. Because I said
Oh, sir, yes, I'm going to be too.
That's not good.
That's fine now. Bibi was wrong. Yami Bibi was wrong. Namama Saka.
What we know about Kama?
Patre. Aha. What is that, Simpa? I'm saying, if you are with you, you're another.
Did you look at it?
Hey, I didn't know. Tell me, Alpaca.
Okay.
We have to write this?
Annie.
Hey, oh, we already wrote this, but it's like a B.
Read that, we wrote that.
Edian. Edian.
Where is it?
Edian.
It's in our notebook.
Edian.
Why?
What is it? Edian. What does it mean? What is it? Mo.
God for her. That's a shame.
Jinyami.
Be a shame of
Jinyami. Yami.
Are you drawing for me? I don't know how to
Yami.
draw. How do you draw it? All you do is how do you draw it? You write an upside down triangle and then write a circle.
Debut.
Oh, look at this. If you put a bottom on there, that's a triangle. If you put a bottom on that's a triangle. Isla.
This everyone, you understand?
Isla. Look. Like this. And then
When you can see a cracker, do it a little bit big. Now, move your more fine tray. A domino. So when you're done, then you show it to the rest of the class. Well, y'all can
That's like a birthmark.
what you say? Yes.
Do you have any razors yet? I don't have any razors. No, it's fine. I have a razor. And it's a prize. It's a prize.
When are you? Who's finished?
Me.
One more person
Oh,
or
no, do we have
who wants to come up and show it?
Do we have to write the words? Okay.
The words is what it means in tree.
Did I have this right? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. It's fine. I made it over here. I gotta go somewhere else. Here, do it.
I'll do it. Of course. And the same thing we'll all be doing.
One more person you need to who wants to show theirs to the rest of the class?
Me.
Bra.
Charles, please, where's the key?
Bra.
Okay, I'm coming. This is last one.
You.
Okay. Let me make a Skip it again.
Give me water.
Okay.
You. Bra. I love bra.
Beba.
Me ba. Kwame you come bra. Show it to everyone. Ngosi. Come over here. But I think Mama. Ama dia denkrano. Who here you are from Akela?
Hey, we can copy it.
Mhm.
You can put it on your
Yeah.
paper and copy it.
Mo yembo yan sama. Ala. Ma yembo yan sama no. Ayade. You ala that. Find you. Who else? She and Soraya. Mo benumra. Famia.
Hey, that is too tiny.
Mo yembo yan san kesi
You
yamano.
said right
Ayade.
big.
Ampa. Nasa ye. New. Fatira obia. Fatira amansa. Fatira no fatira.
That's how you do it. Is this how you do it?
Eh? Mo.
That's not how you do it.
Aya. Hey mo. Aya dia. Mai mo yan san kesi yamano. Amara, bra. Mo. Yembo yan sama no. Find you. Wajo bra. Efe. Yembo yan sama no. Find you. Over.
Hey, Debbie. Please.
Bra.
I'm not playing that right now. I can't see anything.
Mo. Aya dia. Mo.
Is that a heart? It's not a heart. You drew it.
Find you. Anybody else? Mama for you. Don't be shy. You, eh? Inti bra ya kase nyame bibi wosoro na mama nsaka. Ase chire san. Nyame. Ede na nyame Why not yummy? Where can yummy? As it is,
It can mean like a god.
they say, your Chirasico Brofumwa, the supreme being, on yummy. On yummy. Bibi was raw. Bibi was raw.
Let me show you how to write. He is like your
Bibi was raw. Bibi was raw. There's something in the sky. Your Chirasico Brofumwa, there's something in the sky. Namaminsaka.
I'm watching how sick the messy
Until Onyame, so we say Onyame, the supreme being, the creator. Sane friend Wochi, Yami, Bibi Wosoro. Something is in the sky. Namaminsaka. And let my hand touch it. It means let me get something that I'm striving for. Me pay Bibi. I mean, to me in Kananso. Yami Bibi Wosoro Maminsaka. Now, Moka say, Titano na Asante Hene, and Sano be Pie, or was I Adenkrano? I wore Aeno, I wore Neponso. They said the Asante Hene, that's the ruler of the Asantes. Before he would go out, he would have this symbol at the top of his door. Now, Odin Sabeka, Sa Adenkrano Imprenson, and he would touch his hand to that symbol 7 times. Now, I said, Bibiao Pebiano, Mansaka. And it means that anything that, yeah, Moko is that. Or so Okotadiaba. And it is and instead of Mekano, so as I was saying, you say Asante Heno, Asano Bipie, or then Sabakasa, then Crown and Prenson, that the Asante Heno, before he would go out, he would touch that Yami, Bibi was throw 7 times. I just said Bibiao Pebiano, I will Riase, Manansanka. So it would mean that anything that he wants in the world, that he should get it. Smart as yet. And Tisa then Crown in ye, but of Fama Sorea. Sorea. Right, watch it.
She is the She's not doing anything.
Maybe I dachi.
I'm just hoping that you understand what to do.
Yummy people.
You don't understand. I do.
And see, if I say, and memory, you just say, so we'll pay Bibi or we say, just so can't say, we'll pass Adiano. That it's understood that if you really want something, that you should say what you want. Not feed your old castle panel, and also not one Sabeka. And what you say that you want, that's what you would ultimately get. Until Sa Adenkrano, Sana teacher. So that's what that Adenkra symbolizes.
I think you're ready to write on
It's Manka, Nyame. Now we say, Ewaha, now say Yanka, Asante Chi Yanka, Ekase, Bibi, and the Yanka, Asante Chi Yanka, Equapium Chi Yamoka, Okase, Bribi, now Asante Chi Yanka. Yame, Bibi was sorrow. Bibi was sorrow. Namaminsaka. Manya, see, Mamisaka. See, Mamisaka. Mamisaka. Come out. Once again, Mamisaka. Once up.
You're supposed to.
You're
supposed to.
Kwame say, Mama Monsani Faso. Kwame say, Monsanifa. Nifa means
put your hand up. I can't make a big hand. Why in the world can you?
Benkum. Kwame say mama monsa benkum so. Benkum. 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 Kwame say mama monsa nifa so. Nifa. Nifa. Kwame say mama monsa benkum so. Benkum. Benkum. Mama monsa nifa so. Kwame yang
Oh.
Kwame say mama monsa nifa so.
Wait, Momo Sunny Faso is right. I
Nifa.
have my left hand up still.
Nifa. Kwame say mama monsa nifa so.
No, when you say Kwame and Sunny, when you say
Aye, why are there? Why are there? Kwame say mama monsa benkum so. Benkum. Benkum. Kwame say mama monsa nifa so. Nifa. Kwame say mama monsa benkum so. Mama monsa nifa so. Kwame So we play a game. You dear Groby. So we play a game. Kwame say. So we play a game called Kwame say. As Kwame says.
We already know this game.
I feel no more about. Won't know name. I feel no more about. Nyabotre. Nyabotre. And Ibrahim make us say Kwame says. So listen for when I say Kwame says. Sabra na wubiti. Se menkasa any date. Yo, auntie, and me pese. Ago. And me pese ya kasafa ye namnom ho. And actually, you ever told you mfofro. So today I want us to speak about our ancestors, and then we'll learn a new song. Why not? Oh, pese.
Is it about Matt Turner?
Yeah.
why?
Before we sing the new song, can we teach them how to do the song?
Annie, what dear? Why idea? Why idea? I know you're doing pass. Me share. I my classify in Nano, and which you better Jum Dada, and which you better Jum Fufro. Kase Mikoguns you kakra. Amara. Kase Mikoguns you. Mikoguns you kakra. Cobra. It's the one or person or classify in Nano. So who wants to speak about his or her ancestor?
Who did this right here?
Chi, what's your bra?
Don't go.
Did you do this right here?
I finished it.
Mo, Can I kiss you? Gina? David Gina? Oh, more Drew.
Something that she didn't do. Yeah, from Nana Shaka.
I'll go.
Okay.
Obi Kasa.
Yeah, from Nana Shaka Zulu. Me free Umzansi. Na meye akofo kesia. Na meye Zulu for hini. Meye infectane. Mesanye okakwine. Aye friend no nentri me. Mede pia foforo. Foforo. Bye aye friend no asegai. Ye wo me Zulu ohiniba. Nanso me papa anjeme se neba berima. Me techa abisiako jeme neme mame nandi ka wo. Medi Zulu abisiako so inkunim wo. Okon mu inti ene yen. Abisiako kesye no som bowo. South Africa Oman
Mo.
Oh, did you do 10?
Yem boy and some kes yem pa mano. I will say every another one of kakra.
I forgot
Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo, mo, mo. My told you, no. Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Pa. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo. And see, brother, I say mo, that's congratulations. Why are dear? You have done a thing. That means you've done well. Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Pa. Pa is very well. Why are dear? Pa. Mo. And see, why am I? I crap. Bella. Bella.
I only did 4. Oh. We didn't finish our homework. I'll do it today.
You. Any bra.
Efreme nana ya asantama. Befre.
Just
Ejisa. Name ye ejisa. Ejisa.
Hema.
Hema. Amene. Aborofo. Di akomene. Makoma. Sikaja. Kofi ne asante mine.
Mo. Why are dear? Yembo in Samano. Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Pa. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear? Mo, mo, mo. Why are dear? Why are dear?
Okay, that's it. Does everybody have their ancestor? Wow. He was focusing on the answer. Oh, you don't have your ancestor today.
You, and the wine view.
I'll do it today.
You.
I'm Miminewa, bra.
Your friend may Harriet Tubman.
I'll go.
Amen.
Obi Casa, I'm a Ginaso. What's a Ginaso? Just a cheap.
Because I'm going to really have to stand up there.
She's not loud enough.
There.
She's not loud enough. She's not loud enough. Your friend may Harriet Tubman. Louder. Where those trees can hear you. Your friend may Harriet Tubman. Better. Me free abrochre. Na me ye okonfo kesie. Na me boa. Ochichadi for a me je. Getting lower. Abibifahodie free some. You only did 4?
Hey, the catcher will say you do.
Adane.
Yo,
Adane.
you're boy in someone. Mo.
Adane.
You only did 4
yeah,
too,
yeah, come on.
now, Myers.
So did you.
But that doesn't matter. I'm talking to him.
What's the woman?
Yeah,
Young girl,
not-
I'm you. I'm you.
Who wants to go?
Man, not Debbie man.
Okay.
Debbie man.
And yummy.
Debbie man.
And yeah, Debbie, yummy.
Debbie man.
And yummy, and yummy.
And Yema Debbie.
Debbie.
You ain't come. You, not the air.
Yeah.
After the war, as you have for I say, Monina, no, my ever come
Now that
I think we have 3 new students who don't have ancestors to talk about yet.
Please.
Watch out.
Can we just...
What did they say? Your name?
I don't know.
Navonia. Pacho, Mayantia Navonia. Navonia Martin. Ago. Ago. Yetia Navonia. Can say Navonia Martin.
It's not morning. It's Maha.
Hey, Martin. Hey, Martin.
Maha.
Hey, Martin. Pacho, what did they say?
It's morning. Debbie Maha.
Amaria. Can say Amaria Martin.
Amaria Maha.
And yeah, Maha. And yeah, area. And yeah, area. And no, yeah, area. And yeah, I'm a pa. I la. Pacho, what did they say?
You said it, right?
I bet ma. Pacho, what did they say? Babu. Baruch. Can say Baruch Martin.
Baruch Maha.
And yeah, area.
Enya
Is so po.
Po.
You. Auntie Navonia, we'll be here, Nana. So you'll need an ancestor. We need back one. We'll pass what can happen.
Please, do we have to write all the ancestors down?
You know.
Dan?
I don't know where.
What
Do you have
about
an ancestor
Nat-
that you know of that you would like to speak about?
What about Nat Turner's wife? Do you know her name?
Or one of the collective ancestors that all of our ancestors know. George Washington Carver.
Are you serious? You know, George Washington Carver, they don't know when he was born. Because we study about our ancestors in a book. And, yeah.
Amaria, Paja Winim Nana Bakwa Upeswa Kan Hwasan. Do you have an ancestor that you would like to speak about?
Mama Z's here?
You just noticed?
You.
You're so late. You literally walked around right there, opened the door, and then came back out.
Open the door.
Right next to the bags. And it comes right there.
Baruch. Paja Winim Nana Upeswa Kan Hwasan. Do you have an ancestor you want to talk about? Plants. No, we're looking for a person, a very famous African. You know any famous African people?
Famous, yes, yes.
You have
Jomo Kenyatta.
You.
I love why. You have Julius Nyerere.
Nihanda wasn't. I think Mara chose her. No,
That was Araya.
Jomo Kenyatta. You.
See, right there.
I did that.
You have Jomo Kenyatta, you have George,
You have Julius Nyerere.
Julius Nyerere, you have did somebody do Haile Selassie? You have Haile Selassie.
Why you mean, sir?
Haile Selassie.
Enti Navonia.
Nana Martin
At
Luther
the end,
King.
now we name for George Washington Carver.
George
What do you
Wash-
know about George Washington Carver?
You know, you have to act it out in tree.
Muhammad
Good boy.
Ali.
I'll help you.
Muhammad Ali.
Hey, you don't help me.
Ah, my wow. My wow.
Jackie Robinson.
You don't help me.
Yeah, two people.
Ah, I dang.
Meaning,
And
Ah,
song.
I didn't even know what
what?
my wow. Ah, my
The
wow.
alphabet and sign language.
And how about women?
Oh,
Wow.
9 days, you see. That's a week and 3 days. That's a week.
I'll go. And see, I didn't name for George Washington Carver. Huh? So, what do we know about George Washington Carver?
He was
He was the
a
first
famous
person that made
person.
peanut butter.
And coffee beans, something like that. And put sweet potato.
You.
Anybody could have flowered.
Can I kiss you?
You
Speak it
have-
loud. Hey,
Hey,
Muntie.
yeah, come,
Flowers. And a dimbium. What else do we know about him? Tumbo. Until my intro. So that's right. Where the Obia Churana? Has everyone written this? You haven't written the top one? Now, wait and swear. This one you've done? You went for me. Monja esa kasao. Come out. Brah. Brah. What's now? Nana George Washington cover. Now or your Obia only Abibifahodie Kasai. So George Washington cover throw it. Navonia throw it. Ayla. Na. Tana ha. Bra. Kotino. Or Trubia. Kotino.
What are you saying?
Kotino.
What does that mean?
Kotino.
Just another food.
Ella, do you understand what he is saying?
No, I don't. Come out.
Kotino.
That's a shame.
What
You
is
see
that
his
mean?
hand, right?
Yeah.
Sit.
And that's it. And then Nana George Washington cover now or your Obia only Abibifahodie Kasai. Ayla, Tanasi. Ayla,
Kotanasi, why?
I know that.
Intem.
You. Now or your Obia only Abibifahodie Kasai. So he was a person who spoke with plants. Until Okase Utie and Sima Abibifahodie Kasai. So he said that he was someone who could understand what the plants were saying to him.
Is that goody?
Afi, Mayaka said.
I can't see right here.
What happened to your eyes?
We have to write this.
Yeah, what we have to say, you want me.
I've never seen nobody on the box hand like wear that.
So we're going to change it so you can say it like it's you. Not me, Obia, Minnie.
In high school.
Until not me, Obia, Minnie, Abibifahodie Kasai. So I was someone who spoke with plants. You want me, what a brutally. I was born overseas. Say again? Is what an eye? Bruh.
I did.
Aye.
Show me a better house. Tell me a better house. I was on the French.
You want me what a brutally?
This looks bad.
We have to write left. We have to write right. We have to write then. We have to write stop. We have to write everything that's on the board.
No, I'm trying to Roblox
Until Fitiasia, no? Yeah, from me.
And for me, Nana George Washington Carver.
My, you know, I can. Let's all say it together.
You forgot to put where he's from.
You see, you want me what?
Yeah, what? I thought it was Smith.
You wrote Nana George Washington Carver before. I don't have any space for the Yefreme right now.
Ah.
Thank you.
Ah. Until you're beyond the dang. Yeah, friend me, Nana George Washington Carver. Mayanka, yeah, friend me.
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 So I am called, literally we call me Nana George Washington Carver.
George Washington Carver.
Na meye
Na meye
obi
obi
a
Mene
mene afifidie
afifidie
kasaye
kasaye.
ye wo me
yewo me
wo abrochire
wo abarache
me de nkatie
mede enkatie
ne afifidie
ne afifidie
afoforo
afofro
yeah
ye
nyama pi.
nyamapi.
So we call me Nana George Washington Carver. I was someone who spoke with plants. We gave birth to me, or I was born, or abrochire, overseas. So this is another option. Remember, we learned me free, not me free. I was from. When so yet me kase, you war me war. I was born at.
Obia.
Mene afifidie kasaya. Afifidie kasaya. Me de nkatie. Mayenka me de nkatie.
Mede enkatie
Ne afifidie.
ne afifidie
Afoforo.
Afofro
Yeah.
ye
Nyama pi.
nyamapi.
So I used peanuts and other plants to do various things in order to make various things. And see, Navonia, so what we've been doing is that Bemamo, Kasamu, and 9. So I give you 4 sentences. After the Wobako with ye, then you go home over here and home and you'll do more research with your parents. I almost why you become. And they'll help you to learn more information about the ancestors. You're kind of saying with Chimo. How do we say it in Chi? Mikoguns you kakra. Yeah, cobra. Mo.
I do remember my ancestors.
yours is what?
What? You're erasing with a hat? Wait, don't erase that.
Oh dang.
You can erase that.
Yeah, oh dang. Aw.
It's like a heart, but
Dang.
not. Anyway, so I'm on a casa.
Kasaboko.
Period.
Hey, that looks good. Bruh. There. You liked it?
Richie.
No, because I saw this training and it says like if you you see, sometimes you can't just trust you.
And last one. My dad in coffee.
Wait, what? They're playing like King.
Oh, you don't have this?
No.
Oh, I mean for George Washington Carver, not Martin Luther King.
Wait, who's Martin Luther King?
What's his name? Yeah, Amaria is.
Wait.
Amira.
No.
Amira and Amaria? Wow.
You see?
Their names are almost the same.
Ella, you shall not say that.
Oh, okay, I'm at the last one.
Amaria. Nti, woman naso. Mayenka, ye friend me. Nana. Martin Luther King.
Is that an F? Baba, oh, by the way, is that an F?
Join.
At the bottom. After M-E-D-E.
What's that? Can you pass it over? Is that my name outside?
Kati.
No.
My X.
Ye war me. Mayenka, ye war me. Wo abrochire. Na mimpe.
Naminpe?
Sedie. Abrofo. Share. Abibifahodie. Enti. Na meta. Bo. Apentekwa. Te etia. De tia. Mrabone. And see, what I say, your friend Nana Martin Luther King Jr. So I'm called Nana Martin Luther King Jr. You wore me what I was born overseas. Nam in Pesedi and Brofoshe before so. I didn't like how the whites were oppressing the blacks, that's Africans. And Tina Metabo Apintinkwa. So I often marched Te Etia. And when you Te Etia is to say that you rebel against the Tia Mraboneso in order to fight against those bad laws.
Martin Luther King.
There. Now.
Maybe.
This is we have to write more. Your friend me Jomo Kenyatta. Oh yay, I took that one.
Jomo Kenyatta from
I know that. Kamau.
Did you know?
It has
Did you know his
We
Jomo?
study about
Did you know?
that.
Look.
His normal name has
Look. His name
Kamau
was
in it.
Kamau Inya.
Let me see that.
Let me see that real quick. We read a book about our ancestors.
Frame
so
is
we're not
African, have my
lying.
name in it.
We are not lying. We're not lying. Yes, you did. That's funny.
He changed his name 4 times.
Oh, wait. What? Okay. So they're all playing as boys. Zip line.
So, your friend met, Martin Luther King. Oh my goodness. Are you done, Martin Luther King?
Oh, and he was a
No, I'm
carpenter.
actually,
He was a carpenter.
I'm right at,
I have Jomo Kenyatta, C.L.R. James,
wait, no, I'm at
Frederick Douglass,
Namdem.
everybody.
What? Oh my gosh, I need to get this together. Martin Luther
I have
King.
Julius Nyerere too. 72 when he died.
One time, I was reading a math textbook, and they had my name. It said, if she and Emily had 5 apples, how many apples would they have if they added 2 more? You would not know how much I celebrate. I was like, my name's in the book. Mine.
Wait, mine is more fabulous. African.
My name's Nigerian. My name's Kenyan.
Mine's Kenny.
His name's from his name's in Ghana. His name's Maui. It's not Mau Mau. It's Maui. That's a Ghanaian name.
The nickname is Kenny.
My nickname is Ken. My whole name is Kenyan actually.
The sad thing is you don't have a nickname.
Jomo Kenyatta. My nickname is Mau Mau.
Okay, I'm at Naman. Okay,
His name was Mr. Africa.
The nickname's K.
Huh?
The nickname's K from Who Fighter.
K from
Naman, come on. Almost done Naman. Wait, I still have a could you
It
like
says
write a
facing Mount
line?
Kenya.
Cause it's like mixed together and I don't really know where to stop. I can't see. Yeah.
How dare you draw stupid spring trap with mine?
Stop!
Wait, what?
Draw this spring trap.
What is it? It's not a spring trap.
Then what is it?
It's an S, bro.
Your friend me, Mayanka, your friend me,
Yeah, friend.
Jomo Kenyatta.
Jomo.
Nami free Kenya. Mayanka, Nami free Kenya.
Where are you now?
Nami ya Obia,
Name Obia.
me kontia,
Mekonsia.
abrofwa,
Finish.
wawia ya sase. Ago,
Amen.
ago,
Amen.
ago.
Amen.
Mayanka, let's say it together. Your friend me Jomo Kenyatta. Nami free Kenya. Nami ya Obia, me kontia, abrofwa, wawia ya sase. I was someone who fought against the whites who stole our land. Nameka Kenya Asase Nefahudie Ku Nefahudie Ku A Namisambeye Kenya Mampenyin. I took over the whole board, Midas.
Wait. Why does? Oh, she has 6.
Baku, Mienu, Miensa.
What disease? So it's not 1, 2,
What
3,
disease?
4.
Oh, you better stop, mommy. We're gonna get yourself killed. And that's what he did. He got himself.
Why do we have to write?
A dumb fly
Yeah, but
literally
it said,
ran into
Why Baba
suicide.
Sian, yeah? Because you've come here to learn something. So you will learn something.
But I'm having hiccups.
Hey!
Drink
Yeah,
some
what?
water. Yeah, drink some
Yeah,
water.
Hold your breath for 10 seconds.
Yeah, do it. That will help. My mom told me that. Or take deep breaths. Or eat some honey. Breathe out.
So let me do the translation of them for you. Ago, ago. Kwame say Momo Monsam.
It worked.
Kwame say Momo Monsam. Kwame say Momo Monsaso. Nkosi. Ja. Aha.
Hey, can we
Kwame say Momo
Monsam.
Monsam.
Now, 'cause I'm trying to write.
Kwame say Momo Monsaso. Kwame say Muntie. You. Your friend Nana Martin Luther King Jr. I'm called Nana Martin Luther King Jr. So you should write the translation as I tell you.
What?
Yeah, I was born overseas.
Oh my goodness. We have to write the translation.
Super.
I thought we were only supposed to do this in Tina. Isla, he said if you want
Oh, then? Because I already had all the
Kela Ani.
Here,
I
cheese.
know.
Oh my goodness.
Nam impesa di abrofotia
Like,
before
that's
so.
some Superman.
I didn't like how the whites were oppressing the Africans. In the metabo pintenkwa. Say pia de tia mbrabone.
But how did
So
you
I
do
often
that?
ala me casa. Chi me casa. So I often marched and rebelled to fight against the bad laws. Your friend Nana George Washington Carver, I'm called Nana George Washington Carver. Name obia many afifidia kasai. I was someone who spoke with plants. Your woman was British. I was born overseas. But then Katia ni afifidia foforo yeah nyamapi. I took Nkatia. I didn't Nkatia. What is Nkatia?
Minim.
Minim. Ane. Provocasi yet me from peanuts and I said groundnuts.
Groundnut.
Ghana ha your friend no.
And where do the peanuts come from?
The soil.
Sustainable seeds reference.
But then Katia ni afifidia foforo yeah nyamapi. So I took peanuts and other plants in order to make many things.
He made glue out of peanuts too, just to let you know.
Your friend me, Jomo Kenyatta. I'm called Jomo Kenyatta. I'm from Kenya. I was from Kenya. I'm obia mekuntia abrofwa warrior yatasi. I was someone who fought against the whites who stole our land.
And I was.
Nameka Kenya assassin if I hold you
Does anybody spell the mosquito smell?
So I was part of the Kenya Land and Freedom. I was part of the Kenya Land and Freedom Army.
He's a young boy, you see, Isla. He has plenty. He's a young boy.
Look how much I did.
It's 2 ants.
Hey, we're supposed to be this year.
Every time he's going to sound wet.
What's it over? My man says, "Sawi, now you're in the pool. You're being a dumb."
Can you please write it for me?
Hey!
I have a cramp in my hand.
Oh!
Oh, what is it?
Oh! Ah,
Oh, really? You have a crush on your head? Look at this.
You don't know how much I have to write every single day.
And also
I
be
thought you haven't written 6 more sentences for
Oh!
Ooh.
I didn't know that.
Y'all, it's a boy. Mommy, I'm watching.
I didn't know
Jackie
that.
sucks. Wait, what did he just now say? Mommy, I'm watching. Shaggy sucks.
Nameka Kenya assassin if I hold you a dumb one.
What did he say?
Namesamba, yeah, Kenya man penny.
Wait, where's my book?
So I was part of the Kenya Land and Freedom Army, and I also became the president of Kenya.
The first one, actually. And he helped the Mau Mau Wars with the rebellion.
So that is the Kenya Land and Freedom Army. So the real name of it wasn't Mau Mau, that's what the Europeans called it. It was called the Kenya Land and Freedom Army. Kenya assassin if I hold you a dumb one. Namesamba, yeah, Kenya man penny.
Can you write it on my paper?
Nkosi.
Can you please write it on a sheet of paper and I'll copy it at home?
Debut.
I have a cramp in my hand. What is that?
Sorry, yo.
Sorry.
You go, sorry. Now keep writing.
Mapacho. I'm sorry.
Oh, but I have a cramp.
You ain't just gonna use that cramp. Use your left hand.
I don't write with my left hand. I just
Isla,
write
use your Bankum hand.
Benkum.
Debbie! I don't
So
write.
remember in
You
Chi, the
see,
word
this is how
Benkum?
I write with my left
The word Benkum comes after
This is
Insa
what I
Benkum.
write
Come
with
on,
my
watch it. Come on. What's it? Nsa benkum. It's not benkum hand, it's nsa benkum.
I am too. Kofi's a lefty.
Kofi can write with both. Kofi went like.
You see, I can't write with my left hand and my right hand has a cramp.
Kofi can write
What
with
do I do?
both. Kofi can write with both.
One more then.
I already know about Kenyatta. What?
Any intro?
Let me try.
Amma, can you write it for me?
What scroll?
Debut.
One more word.
Wait, you're on Panyin.
Maybe Nana Martin Luther King Jr. Has everyone written about Nana Martin Luther King Jr.?
No.
Manyan and tell me when you're more
Right there on his.
Do it quickly, we have other things to do.
This doesn't include writing in it.
It looks so awesome.
What? Your S?
Let me see.
That's our S for the savage on Robloxian Life. If you play it.
You're a savage, so you would just go out and kill people?
No.
That's not what a savage is, Isla. That's a murder.
Get back to work. Yeah, come out. Go back to work. You haven't even done anything.
And you have a cramp in your
No,
right.
you only
And you
did.
have a cramp in your right hand. Why
You-
don't I see you right hand?
You only have an S for savage. That's all. That's not work, is it?
Oh, ma'am.
You have
What's
all
he-
of this.
Isla, what is this?
Mun choro choro, ala, ukasa be
What is
brave.
this?
Yes, see.
What is this?
Yes, see.
You have Jomo Kenyatta.
Who in the eye of your face?
Bro, what's that?
Bro,
You need to add more fire to
She
it.
just said.
And Isla doesn't know when she just got roasted.
I do.
Did you just
get
see,
roasted.
you see that right there?
She just now did.
Denial.
Can you tell T to... Where's it at?
The door.
Yeah, the door.
Now, when you say Baba, I know you're Yoruba.
What is that?
That the word Baba is Yoruba.
What
P.
is Yoruba?
I know your casa is in Nigeria.
Your dad.
No, why are you?
What?
Abraham Okase Ashe, I know you're Yoruba. That when
Y'all
you're
know-
saying Ashe, you're speaking Yoruba.
Do you know Swahili?
Kidogo.
My friend does.
Kasema
My
Kiswahili
friend
kidogo.
speaks Swahili.
I know
The song for it?
I know something. I know a language in Swahili. Where is it?
Oh my gosh, you're from it. Oh.
And
Uncle Bob, by the way, no matter how many times Isla complains, I know that she'll still finish it.
bruh. Oh my god.
Oh, you're from it, Jomo. Yeah, not.
Bruh, Jomo Kenyatta said something in Swahili. It's just I didn't write it.
Isla's putting into denial that she just got roasted.
What? What happened?
She's not admitting that she just got roasted.
Now all I have to do is color in the spots that
Oh
are
my
white.
goodness, that's four.
look
I thought
nice.
that was.
All I have to do is color in that's white chi.
No!
Chi. All I have to do is color in those sides.
Come out, what are you doing?
Black
You have
and
to
white.
do this.
I have, ma'am.
So do you!
I already out.
Ago, Ayla.
Ah,
Ayla,
man.
and then there with your dog.